are headed into Hell's Revenge. We got Mike in the Blazer behind us. And then Chris is behind him. We're going out here. It's supposed to be a nice little Saturday drive, but looks like we're heading in to go get this side-by-side, fix it, drive it out. And then we gotta head to Hurrah Pass to get another one. So it'll be fun. Just got the new motor mounts and new leaf spring center bolt fixed in the wrecker. The airbags mounts fixed. A little bit of maintenance the other day. And it is so much quieter in here. A lot less squeaky and clanky, so that's awesome.
So what do we got here? Broken
Broken tie rod.
Huh, weird.
Broken inner tie rod, which I swung by the parts house.
Yeah.
The Sebased parts house.
Okay.
And grabbed a good takeoff.
Nice.
So that we can just swap her out real quick. Look at that.
It's like it was made for it.
Well, it's like they know more than we do about this stuff. I told them the machine, they said, yeah, we got one right there.
It's right there.
I know, I'm just saying, we do some pretty extreme recoveries and then we do this.
Yeah.
Did you guys bring a new one?
New used ones.
Oh yeah, I mean, unbroken one?
Yeah.
This is Johnny. He's
Hello.
basically a razor expert. He's been wrenching on these for how long?
4 years.
And not just normal wrenching.
No.
No.
Like rental wrenching.
Yeah, rental wrenching.
What was your line? It's not a bird.
It's not a bird, it's not a fish.
Yeah, don't send it flying.
It's not a bird, it's
Don't
not a
take
fish.
it swimming.
It's not yours, so.
That's the one right there.
And it's not yours. These are good advice, folks.
Good
You don't know.
Now
You
you
know.
know.
Front tires are pointing at the back tires, so it must be okay.
It's gonna be vaguely all right.
That was easy.
Right?
We should work on these things.
Right, we should totally do this more. Okay, Mike's coming in for his first time up Escalator. Just like that, Mike, just like that. A little higher. There you go, there you go. Nicely done.
Thank you, thank you.
Perfect. Hello.
Very nice.
Alright, here we are. We're headed down King Creek Road. Headed for Chicken Corners up over Hurrah Pass. We're gonna go get a side-by-side that is missing a rear wheel. So this is different. Usually it's always the front. Anyway, we're gonna roll in here and get it, bring it out here to their trailer, and take them on their way. All that work washing this truck and armor all on the dash, and then ride out back on a dusty dirt road. It doesn't look like we did anything to it. All right, got her loaded up. Pulled up on there. We're gonna go to his trailer, fold down the ramps and throw it up on there and winch it onto his trailer. And we're off. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the lower rear winch, run underneath my trailer, go right up to the front of his, snatch block, right back to his machine, pull it right on. Quick, simple, and easy. Let us know if you need it.
Yeah,
There you go.
I'm not worried about that. Don't worry about that wood. Dang, go a little further. There you go. That'll work. That'll work, boss.
Right there, good?
Definitely the rig here.
Brake line finally gave out. Got her all the way here and finally lost her. Oh well. Well, got him out of there. Got him loaded up on his trailer. And yeah, he's gonna take it home and fix it up. Looks like he's got a broken axle shaft, bent caliper, no, broken caliper, and bent brake rotor, sorry. But other than that, should come out of it pretty good. We'll get her back up and running. So, here we go. And like always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much.
What you need?
Pair of pinchies?
That thing comes whole
Could this work?
I mean,
This is totally the
Dude.
proper use of the tool.
I'm gonna lose a finger on this deal. We got it halfway there. We're too far gone to not keep doing it the stupid way.
There. All right, I got a good pinch on her now.
All right, that's not gonna work.
Okay.
If we
Different
could
tool?
just-